Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can enable dark mode on WhatsApp. If you see itself, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Tap WhatsApp, then tap settings, scroll down, tap chats, default chat theme, wallpaper, scroll down, select the desired color. For example, I selected this one. Just set. It appears like this. Set wallpaper. Okay. Now if you wash to the chats, you see it appear like this. Then go to settings, scroll down, display and brightness, select dark. Okay, now open WhatsApp. That's all. Have a nice time.